Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are literally chilling all morning. We're lying by the pool.
Had a nice lie-in.
Yeah, we have a lovely lie-in. I'm watching the footy. Sienna's inside with me. And...
Morning, guys!
What's the plan today, babe?
So the plan today is to chill this morning. Then we're going to go off and do some shopping. Yeah, and go somewhere nice for dinner.
So we're then going to go across to Disney Springs.
Yeah.
We're going to join in with the meetup that Theme Park Bazza does once a month at Disney Springs at Stargazers. So ourselves, Blokes from Stoke, Kershaw's, we're all going to get together, nice chance to catch up. And then obviously they publicise it, let everyone come along and have a drink and have a chat. So we've got that tonight as well, so looking forward to it. And then we're hoping we'll get the drone show at Disney Springs.
Yes, so, fingers crossed.
Anyone excited? I think someone's hit a little bit of an Orlando wall. You tired? You okay? What are you watching? So we've come for brunch and we are trying... Oh, it was just Sienna on a water bottle. We're trying one of the new popular ones that people are trying called At The Diner. Seen it on Instagram and the food looks amazing. So we've got a half an hour wait to do. So we thought we'd get a menu and have a quick look. Does it look, Lynd?
Incredible. I want everything.
There's quite a few little so it's shops at Lake Avenue, which is just behind Vineland near the outlets. And lots of other little bits, and there's a Twisties ice cream too. I think I found my thing. There's quite a lot of lunch options too. Looks lovely. What are you having?
I'm having scrambled eggs with toast and donut. I'm having bacon.
Scarlett ordering.
I'm in for that.
Shiokara. For the wholesome, healthy breakfast for Scarlett.
I was gonna get the fruit pebbles, but then I feel like I don't want it too dry.
Right. Look at those chicken and waffles. So it's took us 50 minutes to sit down, and then sod's law, the whole place is emptied. So just be prepared for a bit of a wait.
Maybe if you want to come next time, book it.
I don't know if you can. I looked online and it doesn't look like there's a link to do reservations, but I think we just were unlucky with our timing. Cheers! Oh my goodness. Chicken and waffles.
Oh my days.
For the big girl. Scrambled eggs. Wow.
Chocolate chip with the whipped cream on the side. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Here's your side of whipped cream. Thank you so much. Here's your side of whipped cream.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you. Chocolate chip waffles with it one. There you go. Thank you.
Does that look good?
This is a swirl. Gosh. I can't go. We made such the right choice.
This looks amazing.
So Ash is going in for the kill. Good. Yeah.
Really cinnamon.
Scarlett, how's yours?
I've not tried it. I'm just waiting for a bit of time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah. It's amazing.
Oh wow,
Good. How's the scrambled eggs, kid? Really good. It looks amazing. That's one portion. Good. Oh, what's your verdict?
The verdict is I got asked Fridays when I win a chicken dinner.
You technically did have a chicken dinner.
and the chicken and waffles, it was to die for. In fact, I need to come back here and have chicken again. It was that good. It's like KFC, but so much better.
You never have to ask everyone for the
Nice. Any good?
Amazing. Unreal.
Scarlett?
It's really good, but very filling.
What did you think, Sienna? Yeah, mine was amazing. The one thing I would say is the portions are enormous. So like Scarlett had the pancakes and she had like a quarter of it and she's taking now 3/4 back. So that's me saving for the next 3 days because you don't need breakfast.
We're all going to have a little bit of pancake in the morning on our way to Universal.
That was one of the best breakfasts I think I've ever had in Orlando.
The best breakfast.
I mean, it's no Ponderosa. OG joke.
There is no Ponderosa.
It's a joke.
Oh,
I just said.
I was like, what?
Bring back up Ponderosa. Listen, Panda Express.
It's what?
I said Ponderosa. It's like a cross between Ponderosa and Panda Express.
That was the food. Was unbelievable.
Enjoy that, girls. Right, let's go to.
Lie down now. Yeah.
Let's go and cause some real misery. So, fun and games parking at Vineland outlets. It's always hard work, innit? Nike Carnage. Oh dear. So, outlets are super busy. So we're going to leave it, come back another day and get ourselves over to Disney Springs. Wow, it's calmer here than it was at the outlets. So in typical Hackett family fashion, due to having females as part of our main population, we are 45 minutes late. Here we are at Stargazers. Better late than never, girls. Wow. I'll show everyone later. Oh, he's in already. So we've got Diana and Lucy with us. Swansea. 4 trains to get to Gatwick. So we've just been getting some giveaways, got some straws, we've got some more vloggers. We're going to put your name on them. Daryl's World. Daryl's World. So we'll put the link down below. You on Daryl as well, guys? Yeah, I'm with Daryl's World. So you're all part of Daryl's World. You're all part of Daryl's World. Are you all called Daryl?
Let's put our sticker on the Stanley.
Oh yeah, she's very happy because it's the first sticker on the Stanley. So we've got our favourite family vloggers with us here. Gaz and Anne's, the Kershaw Adventures. Always in the back. Sienna's already been getting on in. So we had a good trip, guys. So we're going to be absolutely putting all their tips.
We're gonna get Living because she's from our hometown.
Just cover that badge up first, Liv. Yeah, you've only got one though.
So we're just with Billy. Where are you from? Yeah. Very nice meeting everyone around here. So yeah. Dave, where are you from?
Australia.
So we've got Dave from Australia. Yeah. Thanks for watching. We're just here with Ava. You okay? You having a fun time? Yeah. I'm loving your Grogu bag. Do you want to show everyone? So cute. You've been playing with Sienna, haven't you? So we're just with a lovely family here. What's your name? Erica. And she's just given me this amazing pin because I'm an amazing Rapunzel fan. But yeah, thank you so much.
So I'm with the man at the moment.
Kershaw?
Yeah,
that's
we're
Kershaw.
Mr. Coordinator. What's his name, Scarlett? I've never heard of him before.
Eva.
I'm called the Blokes from Stoke. So I'm actually Paul. And Maxim's Paul. But don't tell it.
So obviously we all know Theme Park Bazza. And ironically we live around the corner from this one.
Yeah.
So you will have all watched them, but if you haven't, in
remember to subscribe, links down below, but you will all be watching already because everyone watches.
And I've had a good night tonight.
Had a great time. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you for coming down. We appreciate it. You're a good guy.
Thank you. So we've bumped into some really, really dodgy characters. Again. We're here again. Who are they, Scarlett?
I'm the Blokes from Stoke.
Paul and Tom. We've seen it already before in my life. Not many kids, lots and lots of mischief. Lots of mischief. So if you fancy following us, give us a follow. Subscribe. Comment down below. Hit the button down below. It's dancing away. Had a good night.
What a great night.
What a great time. If you're ever over here, check with the Bazzas. They do monthly, they do the meetup, and obviously there's always going to be other YouTubers there. If we're ever here when it's going on, we'll always come along.
YouTubers, actually YouTube followers as well, which was just
Yeah, it's
so
lovely.
lovely to meet
So
everyone.
good, so nice. So
I actually did not know what to expect. I was a little bit like, oh, how is this going to be? Like, didn't I?
Yeah.
And what a great night. We've met a lovely
Really,
girl
really
called
good.
Liv, who's now got our family. She's now in the
another adopted.
Another adopted.
Right, we need to try and work out how to get through these drones.
Okay, let's
They're not there at the minute, so we need to find them. What you singing, kid? What you singing? So we've been told the best spot to be is anywhere in between Haleo and Summerhouse, getting down to the waterfront. I mean, it's now 8:24 and it's obviously really busy for a 9 o'clock show, so you need to give yourself enough time. Apparently this is the best spot to be. Let's see if we can find some space.
Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
So
We need to watch that every night. It was incredible.
I didn't know what to expect. I've not seen anything, and that was just amazing. Had a bit for everyone.
That's why I was like, come on, we gotta go, we gotta go.
Right,
See you again tomorrow.
we're going to see the Universal show tomorrow.
On a Monday.
You had a good day? Yeah, and you're still awake. What did you think of the drones?
She had a nana nap this afternoon.
What did you think of the drones? Is it good? Who was your favourite bit?
Oh,
Is it
my
Baymax?
favourite.
Oh, just all of it. What was
My
yours?
favourite bit was up.
Mine was up.
Up.
The up bit was up. The way like the 3D in the house and
Mine was Peter Pan.
Scarlett.
All of it. Was all really good, to be fair.
Well, quite a random day, but we've been,
Had a great day.
yeah, we've had a
Oh,
really
that
good
show.
day. So, yeah, Scarlett's got lots of badges. Thanks again to Bazza, and we had obviously a lovely time with the Kershaws and then Blokes from Stoke.
And all the rest
All
of
the other guys, it was just lovely, it was so good. Don't do the outlets on a Saturday. Go to at the diner. Tired now, I've forgotten it. So we're gonna drive home because tomorrow we're doing. Where are we going tomorrow, kid?
Going tomorrow.
Animal Kingdom.
No, we're not. We're going to Universal.
Oh yeah, I think it's Sunday.
No, it's Saturday. Right, we're going to finish, Scarlett.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And comment down below what was your favourite part of the drone show.
Good one.
Oh, good
Hi,
one.
guys.
Good night.